Assalamualaikum and hi, we are from Group 37. The title of our project is Gyro. The name of our supervisor is Professor Madya Dr. Nur Izan Shahira Binti Hussein. The group members are Mok Jing Ren, Khalida Syahida, Angelyne Nur Asyikin, and Pei Lee. Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Khalida Syahida. Today I would like to present the introduction. We conducted a study on existing bags to identify potential problems encountered by our main target in terms of how they can carry their backpacks. As our result, we know a typical backpack frequently encounters issues such as being too heavy and causing back pain or hunchback to its user. In this project, we decided to design and manufacture an innovative gyro bag that will aid in improving the product's functionality in response to the problem identified. Lastly, the gyro bag is designed to reduce the risk of injury by using a double frame suspension.
Hello, my name is Asyikin. I will continue to explain about the objective and scope of this project, which is gyro bag. First is to identify the problems faced by our main target and to study the existing product of the bag. Second, to design and fabricate a gyro bag that can help to improve functionality according to the user's task, as well to help the user carry their backpack comfortably in same time reduce the injuries. Next, I will explain about the methodology that our group used in this project. Firstly, we use a survey using Google Form to get an information about consumer stock regarding the product's design and features that should have in backpack. Second, we conduct the quality function deployment QFD and House of Quality HOQ, which involve analyzing and collecting the voice of the customer. Besides, it also used for defining customer requirements and translate the design requirements in the form of a planning matrix. Not only that, for the task analysis, which is for planning, we use research and observation-based methods. Next, we have done concept generation for the product's design using concept sketching and make the best selection for the design product using two steps, which is concept screening and scoring. Lastly, we apply the design for assembly DFA and design for manufacturing DFM for the assembly and manufacturing strategy.
Hi, my name is Mok Jing Ren and I will talk about the results of our project. And for the first one is the concept generation and evaluation. These three concepts are the concepts that we have in our project. The concept A is using the elastic bungee cord. Concept B is using spring. And concept C is almost the same as concept A, but the load cell is quite different. The next one is detail drawing. A good design for a project is essential to attract users' interest in buying our product. The figure shows is the 3D design of the floating system of gyro bag. The figure on the right also shows the floating system's isometric, front, side, and top and bottom view. There are several main parts to complete this design: bushing, cam clip, load cell, pad frame, pulley, and vertical load. We choose the pulley as our main floating system because it is more flexible than a spring, and the frequency withstand load is better than spring. Next is concept screening and concept scoring. For concept screening, there are 8 total factors that are determined to be the most important when testing the different backpack concept design. The first one is suspension, second one is size, third one is stability, fourth one is weight, fifth one is ease of use, sixth one is durability, 7 is ergonomics, and 8 is ease of manufacture. As a result, concept A and B is more suitable as our final design. After specific design concept have formed, concept scoring is utilized to create a qualitative hierarchy of design alternatives. The concepts are numerically evaluated on basic scale in comparison to a benchmark. As a result, design A is up to proceed due to its potentially greater performance when compared to the other design. The suspension and weight of the design are the most important to the final product. Because of its suspension capabilities and weight, Design A received the highest score of 4.4 out of all the design. It also has a very simple design, implying that construction will be quite simple.
The manufacturing process for the gyro bag parts are made based on the material used. From the table, we can see that machining processes are being used for the parts like bushing, clamp, load cell, and the screws. Parts like cam cleat, peg frame, and vertical rod are made using casting processes. Meanwhile, sand casting process is used for the pulley. Other than that, welding is also being used on the peg frame and the vertical rod. Last but not least, extrusion and braiding are used in producing the elastic bungee cord. On this slide is the bill of materials and the costing, which sum up to 590 ringgit and 36 cents. And in this slide is the time and cost for the operation of each part with a sum of 95.82 cents, which then gives us a total cost of 591 ringgit and 32 cents, excluding overhead fees for producing a unit of gyro bag.
I'm Pei Lee. I will present the discussion part of our study. Our study was to study the existing bag and identify problems faced by user, and design and fabricate a gyro bag that can help improve functionality accordingly. Preceding studies reported that shoulders and back were the main two areas that cause pain when an increased load on the back is carried by user. As a result of findings, respondents prefer that the product can be designed to be more comfortable and have a good support system. Majority of respondents also believe that carrying their backpack will cause them to experience pain and muscle soreness. We add few improvements, which the backpack should not be overly large or heavy, and it should convenient and lighter way to travel. We add a double frame and pulley system design to reduce the impact force to the user vertebra and shoulder as the backpack glints up and down while the user walks or runs. The pulley frame system also can help them carry heavier loads without jeopardizing their overall health. Because of increasing of labor expenses throughout the world, tighter competitions, and lower gross profits, the manufacturers should also consider the DFMA in the design process. DFMA reduces assembly costs by using fewer components, require less labor, and reducing the number of unique parts. Employ standard assembly procedure to reduce assembly time. DFMA also ensures a smooth and rapid transitions from design to manufacturing and dependably by reducing the number of components in the system, which also reduces the risk of failure.
Lastly, the conclusion part. Product design is always linked to the process of designing parts, components, or products for ease of manufacture with the end goal of producing a better product at a lower cost. After all, we decided to design and manufacture an innovative gyro bag that will aid in improving the product's functionality in response to the problem identified. The objective and scopes of the study, which are to study the existing bag and identify problems faced by society and our main target, which are school children, and design and fabricate a gyro bag, are achieved. In conclusion, the gyro bag is designed and equipped with suspended load technology, which significantly reduces weight stress on the wearer's body as they walk or run, and the product are achieved to carry the load or belongings of the users comfortably and reduce the back pain that may affect their body when using it. Thank you.